Roofing maintenance tips. Roofing maintenance is an important part of keeping your home safe and secure. Regular maintenance can help prevent costly repairs and extend the life of your roof. Here are some tips to help you keep your roof in top condition. 1. Inspect your roof regularly. It's important to inspect your roof at least twice a year to check for any signs of damage or wear. Look for missing, cracked, or curled shingles, as well as any signs of water damage. 2. Clean your gutters. Clogged gutters can cause water to back up and damage your roof. Clean your gutters regularly to prevent this from happening. 3. Trim trees and shrubs. Overhanging branches can cause damage to your roof. Trim any trees or shrubs that are close to your roof to prevent this from happening. 4. Repair any damage. If you notice any damage to your roof, it's important to have it repaired as soon as possible. This will help prevent further damage and extend the life of your roof. 5. Get a quality roofing quote. When it's time to replace your roof, it's important to get a quality roofing quote from a trusted roofer. This will help ensure that you get the best quality roof for your home. 6. Trim any trees that may be too close to your roof, as falling branches can cause damage. 7. Repair any broken or missing shingles as soon as possible. 8. Make sure your roof is adequately ventilated to prevent moisture buildup and condensation. 9. Check for any loose flashing or holes in your roof and repair them to prevent water from getting in. 10. Invest in regular roof maintenance to identify and fix any potential issues quickly. Get a quality roofing quote from J.K. Johns Roofing. 352-754-8600